Hi everyone, I am Ritu Anand and on behalf of Sophia Public Junior School, I'll be introducing you to the grammar, English grammar. But first of all, I am hoping that you and your family are in good health and you are staying home. Hashtag stay safe, hashtag stay home. Let me start with the word grammar. Here I just want to know, what do you understand by the term grammar? What is this thing? What is the worth of this word grammar? Actually, in simple word, it is the rule book that we follow when we use any language. This language could be English, this could be Hindi, Spanish, grammar, Punjabi, Hindi, etc. If we have to write, if we want to enhance our writing skills, we should know about the grammar of that language first. If we want to learn grammar, there are certain rules which we have to follow. In the learning of grammar, I have evolved 8 very easy steps to be followed, and you can design these rules on your own. There is no such hard and fact rule कि you have to go on my lines or only. You can design your own system too. First is when people speak to you, you come across many people in your life, in your daily life, day-to-day life. When you speak to people or you think you are listening to someone, learn and grasp as many as new words you can. Because when you start grasping the words, you will get to know the answers or the meanings of those words. Talk to people, don't be shy. ठीक है, नहीं आएगा कोई बात नहीं, but कभी ना कभी तो you will start speaking in English. Then look for the patterns, how you can use the words and play with them. Then watch everything. I must be knowing that you will be watching TV, you will be watching on screen Netflix. When you are watching something on screen or you are reading a newspaper or a book, learn to know, grasp new words from there. And always ask for the corrections. If you are wrong, we are not God, Bhagwan nahi hai hum, we can go wrong. If you go wrong, always ask for the corrections. What is the meaning of this word? Go and find it in the dictionary. Use your phones. There is an application in your phone which is dictionary. You can go through that. Then practice of verb. I can understand that at this stage of your schooling, you must be knowing what is a verb. Verb is an action word. Verb is an action word which determines what the subject is doing. As we know, the sentence have 2 parts, subject and predicate. Subject is what we are talking about and predicate is what that subject or what that person or thing is doing. So look for the verbs, practice for them and ask for corrections at any time. You can use various apps, you can use your dictionary, you can use your mobile phone, you can use any electronic gadget to know about these new words and dictionary, and knowing the part of the speech. As we know that any sentence, what is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words which always have a correct meanings and have some sense. So in framing of a sentence, what we want to know is, what is the first rule? We should know the parts of the sentence. जैसे मैंने अभी बताया, in a very simple language, any sentence starts with the capital letter, it ends with a full stop, and there are certain punctuation marks in any of the sentence, and there is a subject, there is a predicate, there is verb, there are so many things in a sentence. And if we want to enhance our writing skill, which we should know the correct usage of these punctuation marks and parts of the speech. This will make and master us the writing skills. First thing is about grammar is, if you have the power of enhancing your grammar, this can improve your writing skills too. You can speak, आप बोल सकते हैं, कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, but when we write on a paper, the invigilator or ourselves too, we just go by the rules of the grammar. So we have to know the grammar first if we want to enhance our writing skills. So in this note, I want to conclude that the study of language, its rules and its convention for the understanding of any language is called a grammar. We can improve it by speaking, we can improve it by talking to people, we can improve it by our writing skills or reading various books, newspapers. अभी तो हम लॉकडाउन में है, we have enough of time, veil of time we have that we can use these things. We can use the newspaper, we can go through the screen, so that अभी लॉकडाउन का मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमारा माइंड भी लॉकडाउन है, नहीं. जस्ट गेट द की एंड try to use the maximum time in this lock time. This will be the end of this class. This is the introduction of our subject English grammar. We'll be continuing tomorrow, and be ready for the grammar. Go through your books. You will be getting your PDF files. Go through the content and be ready with the chapter 1 of English grammar for classes 5, 6 and 7. Thank you. Bye bye.